Hello everyone, welcome to the Materials World. Today we are going to look on towards the resources which are very important for the GATE syllabus. So in this video, I am going to explain that what resources to prepare and what to study and how to study and which sections to be studied from the which book so that your time will be managed and you will have a more clarity on the syllabus of the GATE. So this is the syllabus of the GATE 2021 designed by the IIT Bombay. So in section 1, we have engineering mathematics part. We can see that in engineering mathematics, the this mathematics is divided into six different chapters. Like first we have linear algebra, and this is one section. And in this section, we have matrix, determinant, system of linear equation, eigenvalues, and eigenvectors. This everything will comes under this linear algebra. Similarly, for calculus, vector calculus, differential equations, probability, and numerical methods. I personally prefer just read this all the topics from the B.S. Grewal by engineering mathematics. And we know that the B.S. Grewal is the most standard book and it is generally preferred for the engineering mathematics syllabus in the BTech. And if you understand the concepts and if you solve the exercise, the exemplar problems from the B.S. Grewal, then you will have a very brief concept about the problems, the topics given in the syllabus, and you will be able to get full out of full marks in the engineering mathematics section of the GATE. Because in metallurgy, they do not ask you the complex numbers and they do not ask you about the trickiest numericals. They just want to check about the briefly that what up to what extent you have understood the maths part. That is, you have a basic concept in the mathematics or not. So do not want to look for here and there and do not want to study from the different Gate Academy books like the coaching books like Gate Academy, NADE, because they generally provide the books for the different branches like mechanical, electrical. Here they have very complicated stuff and the problems will be complicated. So I personally recommend you to just study the concepts from the BS Grewal. That is sufficient. You just understand the concept and solve the example problems. Now let us come towards the technical part of this paper, the metallurgical thermodynamics. This thermodynamics is the most important subject in the metallurgical field. If you want to pursue higher studies, if you want to work in R&D sector, this thermodynamics helps you a lot. So apart from the GATE, you have to understand this thermodynamics one. So the syllabus contains the laws of thermodynamics, first law, second law, Helmholtz free energy, Maxwell relation, application to metallurgical systems, Gibbs space rule, thermodynamics of point defects, so on. So this whole paragraph is a part of your BTech second year. If you have studied the thermodynamics in your BTech, then all the topics, whole paragraph will be covered in your BTech. Then I think many of the students have already completed their second year, or they already, or some students they are in second year, third semester. So they are in their college. I think they may be familiar with the topics, what they are taught, what they are being taught, and they are studying the concepts also. So I prefer all that you will get all the topics in the book by Ahindra Ghosh, Metallurgical Thermodynamics by Ahindra Ghosh. If you look on that book, you will get all the topics by chapter by chapter. Like in chapter 1, we have laws of thermodynamics. In chapter 2, we have second law. You will get chapter by chapter if you will if you see that book, Ahindra Ghosh. And apart from the concepts you will get an advantage that you will be familiar with the numerical part, like which type of numericals will be asked in thermodynamics and what type of numericals and what is the level of the numericals. If you will solve the example problems of the Ahindra Ghosh, then you will get a concept regarding all the topics given in the syllabus. And if you want to practice more level problems, like if you have understood the level 1 problems, if you want to solve level 2 and level 3 problems, then just solve the unsolved problems given at the back of the Ahindra Ghosh. Then you will understand, you will be your mind will be able to solve that level 2 and level 3 problems. But the problem with that unsolved problems is that your answer may not match with the answer given at the end of the book due to some calculation errors, or you will not get some sufficient data to solve that problem. So I prefer that you just go through the example problems of the Ahindra Ghosh so that you will have a feel for the numericals, you will understand more about the numericals of the thermodynamics. Then if you have understood the problems, if you have understood the concept, and if you want to solve more and more problems, then read B.S. Upadhyay book, Thermodynamics and Kinetics by B.S. Upadhyay. That book covers the same thing which has been covered in the Ahindra Ghosh, but you will get more and more numericals, and the numericals will be easier as compared to the Ahindra Ghosh. And also, if you solve the back exercises of the B.S. Upadhyay, the answers will be more convenient and more accurate, and the chances will be that your answers will be matched with the B.S. Upadhyay book, and you will get more and more numericals for the B.S. Upadhyay in the B.S. Upadhyay for the thermodynamics part. And if you have understood the basics, and if you want to understand in more conceptual, then the most fundamental book is the Thermodynamics by David R. Gaskin. If you want to study If you want to solve some extra problems, extra level, advanced level problems, then just go through the Thermodynamics by David R. Gaskell. That book is the more fundamental, and that book is the universally accepted book for the metallurgical thermodynamics. So you will understand concept in deep as well as you will get a very advanced numericals. And you can see that some type of problems in some years in GATE has also copied the same type of problems from the David R. Gaskell. If you solve the example problems given in the David R. Gaskell without watching the solution of the problems given in the book, then you think that you have solved everything and you will easily solve the problems in the GATE. But do not try to solve the unsolved problems given in the Gaskell. That is too complicated. That is for the MTech level students. That involves programming also. Some problems involve solving in the Excel and MATLAB, that type of problems. So just solve the example problems, and if you understand, that is good. That is sufficient for your preparation. Now let's move towards the electrochemistry part. Single electrode potential, electrochemical cells, Nernst equation, potential pH diagrams. If you see that these all are the parts of the corrosion. So in order to understand the problems, in order to understand the concepts, you have to read the corrosion related process, corrosion related books. So I suggest you that go through the Fontano, where you will get some brief idea about this single electrode potential, potential pH diagrams. But if you want to understand in basics, because Fontano is not an basic book, it is an advanced stuff. That language will be tough for many guys. So I prefer that you will read the corrosion by McAfee. That is a Springer's book. It is available, it may be available freely, but I do not know. But it is a Springer's book, and the name is Corrosion by McAfee. The author is McAfee. So you will get the detail in chapter by chapter, like Indra Ghosh for thermodynamics. You will get detailed single concepts of single electrode potential, electrochemical cells, all the topics. This is the 4x diagram, we know that. So the questions will be very fundamental, like what is the horizontal lines and what is the vertical lines. If you shift the horizontal lines by left and right, vertical lines by left and right. So if you understand the 4x diagram by this construction line by line, then you will be able to solve the numericals of the 4x diagram and all the concepts. So I prefer just read the book by McAfee, and you will understand the fundamentals of the electrochemistry. Thanks for watching the video. Just do not forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for continue watching the more videos we will be uploading shortly.